Hey everyone, it's Becky Lightman with your market update this week. Last week we took a hiatus because of the hurricane. Our thoughts and our prayers are out to everyone on the West Coast who was affected. Terrible news in Florida, and it's definitely going to hurt all these people for a long, long time. It's something we won't forget. So our thoughts and prayers are with you. Thanks for tuning in. September, horrible month. I mean, it's a month that anyone in our industry just wants to forget. The Dow was down 8.8%. The S&P was down 9.3%, and the darn NASDAQ down 10.5%. I mean, it's like this month that we all wanted to kill ourselves. And everyone is feeling so uncomfortable. Why are we feeling so uncomfortable? First, that's a terrible month. But second, we are now 3 quarters of negative returns in all 3 indexes. And that hasn't been like that since 2009. So think of that. I mean, that's a really long time, 13 years. We haven't sat with this kind of discomfort. It is a really challenging time in the markets. Now, what I will say is, when you have a September that's down like that, typically what is good news is that October is the most volatile month. Now, volatility works both ways, up and down. You remember in 1987, we had a major stock market crash in October. Well, this October, we've seen a couple of very good up days, which have basically kind of wiped out some of the badness of last month. Why is the market going up? The market is going up because they're saying, okay, Fed has realized that their announcements are creating such an impact on the economy that they're going to have to back up some of these interest rate hikes. The market is hoping that all of this bad news and the fact that they all closed down so much in September is going to affect the Fed. It's going to be something the Fed considers. And so we have a brief relief rally. Do I think this is over? By no means. I think this is a temporary rally. And I do think we're in for some further downward trends. So I'm like everyone else. I think this market has a little more room to move down. But what we're looking at this week, let's hope we get a relief rally. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.